Hello, welcome to this week's flute lesson. Today we're going to discuss some details about playing test number 1, the concert B-flat pentascale, found on page 5, number 17 of your book. The first thing we will want to do is go over our hand position to make sure we set ourselves up for success with the big finger change from C to D. Let's give ourselves a quick reminder of the numbers that are used for each finger in both the left and right hands. First, we have our thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. On the right hand, we have first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Note that both hands match numbers for each finger, and the right hand thumb doesn't have any keys to press, but its placement is critical to having success with flawless flute fingerings. When we have our right hand here, there's no button, but our thumb is underneath our first two fingers. The left hand, we have two button options. We have a teardrop key and an oval key. We're going to place our thumb on the oval key, and the flute is going to rest on the knuckle. This is all review from our playing position in the first video. Remember, with the right hand, in order to know which keys to place it on, we set our pinky down and then find third finger, second finger, first finger, with our thumb placed between the first and second finger. Left hand, same thing. We're going to find the pinky key, and we're going to place third finger, second finger, skip a key, first finger. That first finger is going to go right in line with the thumb. Once you have your hands set, you're then ready to start working on your fingerings. We're going to practice this note change from C to D that you find in measure 2 to 3 in the pentascale. So for a C, we're going to make sure that our hand position is correct so that we can just hold the first finger and the pinky. It's a nice balance here. If your hands aren't set correctly, the flute's going to roll away on you. So make sure you have that left hand placed on the flute placed on the knuckle, with your thumb lined up with your first finger, then your pinky and your right thumb placed underneath this trill key between the first and second fingers. But to play a C, we don't need to have those fingers down. Then no thumb. That's what that C sounds like. If that's not the note you're getting, you most likely don't have your fingers in the correct spot. So be sure to check that you have your fingers set correctly. Next, when we play E flat to F. When we play E flat, we have all our fingers down except for the left hand first finger and pinky, or L1, L4. When our hand makes this shape, I like to call it the rock-on position, or quiet coyote. Next, in order to move from E flat to F, we need to lift the right hand fingers 2 and 3. So we're going from E flat to F. Here's that E flat. Then to go to F, and we raise right hand fingers 2 and 3, which gives us this floppy-eared bunny. So E flat, F. Practice saying that 10 times. E flat, F. And push the keys while you say those notes. E flat, F. E flat, F. Just like moving from C to D will become easier as we work on it several times a day, the same goes for the note change from E flat to F. Now that we covered the 2 trickier fingering motions of this playing test, let's start putting things together. Before we try making sound on the flute, we're going to focus on just saying the note names and pushing the correct keys down. I'm going to work on saying a note name with each click of this metronome. So I'm not going to worry about timing right now. I'm just going to push the right keys down and say the note names. Here we go. B flat, C, D, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, D, E flat, F, E flat, F, D, B flat. How'd you do? Were you able to keep up? The next challenge is to do that each click. B flat, C, D, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, D, E flat, F, E flat, F, D, B flat. If you can do that, you're more than ready to play this test. We just need to focus on sound rather than fingers. Congratulations! Now you can play the B-flat pentascale, and you're well on your way to learning all types of new songs now that you know 5 notes. Keep up the great playing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy playing!